Hi everyone, it's Rose from Alonia Rose, and today I'm going to be sharing my experience getting my hair done and getting braids. So I'm really excited to show this with you guys. I got two braids, and I really love them because they have these really cute curls at the bottom. So, if you guys have seen like our previous videos, I was not wearing braids originally. I was wearing my natural hair, which is beautiful. And I was really excited because yesterday I went to go get my hair done professionally because I wanted to try something different with my hair now that my hair is shaved off. And I shaved my hair off in July, so it hasn't been that long. But I was really excited to get something different to my hair because this is really my first time I got to experience getting my hair done with no pain because before I shaved my hair, I was in so much pain when it came to getting my hair done. Um, so I went to the hair salon and I combed my hair out before I went because I didn't know how my experience was gonna be. So I was like, let me just comb my hair out. And that is what I did. So I combed my hair out and then I went and I was really nervous, like, cause I remember I was in the bed and it was like a week before my appointment. And I was like, I'm so nervous that it's gonna hurt and I'm gonna be in a lot of pain. But I think for me, I was comparing like my older experience to my new experience. So I thought it was going to hurt like how it did years ago. So I went there and originally I was gonna get two strand twists because I wanted to do something with my natural hair, which would have been fine, I guess you could say, but not really because my hair in the back is a little bit shorter than my front, so it really wasn't gonna last. Like I could have done it, but it wasn't gonna last for that long. So I was thinking, okay, well, what other style can I do then? And she said that I could do like braids, and I was like, that is true. Like until my hair grows out, like for another month or two. So I got braids, and um, first she had to blow out my hair to see like if it was long enough for the style. Which she washed my hair and did all that, and then she wanted to blow out to see and she blowed it out like 4 or 5 times. And because from my past experience, since like I said, like in my previous like hair journey video, is that my hair was very matted, so I couldn't do a lot of styles to my hair. And I tried so hard to get rid of the matting and to comb my hair out every day, and it's like everything I did just didn't really have an effect on my hair because my hair was already matted at that point. So I decided to shave my hair off, and I did. And I would say, like, for me, it's been a really long journey because it's like, you know, I look back on pictures and, I wasn't confident in my hair because of how short it was. So, I felt so bad about it. And then, you know, I started wearing wigs and all that stuff, which I wore one wig, which was like a braided wig. And, you know, when I was like, no, I'm not doing that, I did throw it away and now I don't wear it anymore. Um, but, I think it was really just self discovery, and then I had to embrace my new self, which made me really happy when I did that. So, yes, so I got my hair blowed out, and I was so shocked because from my previous experience, like it hurt a lot to get my hair combed and blew out. Like that was the part that traumatized me a lot when it came to hair salons. So, I was really thinking that it was hair salons and, it wasn't really my hair, but it really was my hair because of how tangled my hair was. And I had just such a beautiful experience getting my hair done yesterday. Um, so I got my hair blew out, and I was so shocked that it didn't hurt. Like, it wasn't any pulling. My hair was going through, and I was like, oh my gosh. So that's the first time that I experienced that, and I'm 16. So I was like so happy about it. And like I said, like I had to get my hair blew out like 4 or 5 times because my hair is super curly. So my hair does not really stay straight for a certain amount of time. So we had to keep blow drying it out. But it was just amazing. And I was like just so proud of my hair, and I was proud of myself because like even I was saying yesterday, like sometimes you have to do things that make you uncomfortable to make you grow more. So, I was really happy about that. And, now I was able to get a style with my hair and without pain. And, even now, like, my braids aren't tight, they're not uncomfortable. My hair feels great, my scalp feels great and looks great. So, I'm really happy about the whole experience, and I'll definitely be going back to get like more styles to my hair because I'm just really excited now because now I'm not in pain getting my hair done. So I'm really happy about that, and I really want to share that with you guys because before I shaved my hair off, like my hair was just really matted, and I honestly I didn't know what to do, because I tried like detanglers and I tried a lot of stuff, and it still didn't get out anything. So I was like, okay, but what do I need to do different? And I talked to my mom about it because it was something that I just kept throwing aside for a very long time because a couple of years ago back I was actually thinking of shaving my hair off, but I didn't do it because I was afraid to do it, and I was like, well, let me just give my hair more time. So that's what I kept telling myself over and over again. So I ended up, like, a few years later, after that, I ended up deciding to shave my hair. I talked to my mom about it, and, I was just saying, like, I think it's time to shave my hair off because, at that point, I had saw how damaged my hair actually was and how matted it was, and I was like, it I don't really think it was savable. I don't really think it was anything to do about the condition that my hair was in because it was already matted and very damaged. Um, so I shaved it, and when I got my hair shaved off, I cried because it was just like a lot of energy that came out of my hair. And after I shaved it, I felt so much better though, and I definitely feel more free for sure. And I was just so happy about like my overall like hair experience. It was really great. Um but yeah, so I was just really happy about it. And it did take a while to like get to this point or this stage in my hair journey. It took many, many years for me, but I did it without pain, which, I'm so shocked about because it's like normally I would be in so much pain getting my hair done. Like I would cry, and because it's like it hurt a lot. So, I just feel like for my experience to have went so great as it did yesterday, I just feel like it's just a blessing, and I'm just so grateful for that experience. Um, Cause like even when I was getting my hair combed out, like it didn't hurt at all. Like it felt fine. So I was really happy that it didn't hurt me. Um, but I'm just so happy, and I'm so happy to like share a new style with you guys and many more styles to come. And I just want to embrace you guys on your hair journey too. And it took me a while to get here, but I had to really um go through an uncomfortable feeling to get to this point. So I had to, stay positive and, try something different than, you know, longer hair. So, when I shaved it off, it was definitely different. And it took me a while to actually get used to the cut because it was so short. And I was like, I don't know how I feel about this. And then, months later, I got used to it and I was like, I like it. Like, I love it. And that's just how it's been. So I'm really happy about that. Um, but I don't know, I'm just so happy and just so proud of my hair and myself. And I'm glad that I trusted the process when it came to my hair and I remained patient because I absolutely love the braids. I just feel like they're just so beautiful. And even like at the ends, like they have like curls at the end. They're so pretty. And because normally, like when I got my hair braided, when my hair was matted, it hurt so bad to get my hair braided. And when I got my hair braided, um, like yesterday, it didn't hurt at all. And I was shocked because I didn't cry or anything. Like I wasn't like flinching or because my hair was not matted, my hair was detangled. So I was really happy about that experience. And I was able to get these beautiful braids, so I'm really happy about it. um but I really want to share that with you guys because if you guys are thinking about like a hair journey for yourself, I think it's really important to trust the process for sure. And um try to stay as confident as you can is what I will say from my experience, is that it's important to stay confident. Like when you do something different to your hair and be open to try new things that you haven't done before. Because I had never shaved my hair. I hadn't even cut my hair off before, and it was really scary for me because I didn't really know what to expect. And I did it and it was scary, but in the end, it resulted in something really good. So I just want to tell you guys that, just trust the process and don't be afraid to try new things, And it's going to be scary, which is completely normal, but try to be as positive as you can. You guys can do it, and I'm proud of you all. Um, but I just wanted to go over like my experience from yesterday, and I'm just really proud of myself and my body and my hair. Um, I really hope that this inspired you guys and made you guys feel better, and I'm just really proud of you guys. And I also want to say that we will have like many more videos to come, and I would say we took a break because we actually got a cold. So it was really hard to post videos, but now since we're starting to feel better, I'm going to definitely be on here posting as well. So by the time this comes out, it might be the next day, like tomorrow, because here is currently nighttime. Well, it's 5, so I guess it's not really nighttime, but evening. So it's probably gonna be tomorrow out for you guys, but I can't wait for you guys to see the video. Um, I can't wait, and I want to hear like how your year has been because 2026 is coming up in a few days. So I just want to hear like you guys' opinions, and I'm gonna do like a recap of my 2026 in another video. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I also want to say happy Kwanzaa. Um, the day I'm posting this video is the second day of Kwanzaa, so it's Kujichagulia today, which means self determination. So, yay! So for you guys that celebrate Kwanzaa, happy Kwanzaa, and I hope everything is going great for you guys. Um, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you guys out a lot, and you guys can always let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, or if you have like anything in particular to say, like about the video or about what I discussed or talked about in the video. You guys can feel free to write in the comments, but if you guys don't want to, then that is completely understandable. Um, but I will really appreciate that if you guys write in the comments, or if you guys have anything in particular to say, that would be great. But I really hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and many more videos to come, and I'm really excited to bring you guys on this beautiful hair journey with me, and I hope that you guys will come along with me and you guys can see my little bunny. Look, this is my inner child. She loves bunnies. So look, I guess Bunny is gonna be here to say bye to you all, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys will have a amazing day or night. Let us know if you ever need anything, and also feel free to check like our websites and our blog posts, because I feel like our blog post is where you get to know us personally, because it's very personal, like our blog posts. Like even the blog post I made about amplified pain syndrome, that was very personal. So if you guys want to get to know us a little bit more, I recommend looking at the blog posts, because the blog posts are very beautiful. So I would love you guys to check that out. And I hope you guys will check that out when you guys get the time. No rush at all. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys will have an amazing day or night. Bye, everyone.